Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Jammu location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for RBP Teller Service from HDFC Bank located in Jammu and Kashmir. You please check with the job description provided here for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for RBB PBWD service position from HDFC Bank located in Jammu Kashmir location. So these are all the details provided here for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit this official website link provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for guest service associate position from Marriott International located in Jammu Kashmir. It's a full-time job, and here are the some details provided for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit in this website link provided here. Next, Jammu and Kashmir Public Service Commission is it is announced a job notification to hire the candidates who completed their graduation for this position, and the position name is Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2021. So it announced a job notification to hire the candidates for this position, and salary is not disclosed for this position. Freshers, any graduate candidates can apply for this position. To apply for this position, we can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position, and the last date to apply for this position is 28th February 2021. Next, there is a vacancy from Marriott International. They are hiring for the position of a guest service associate housekeeping. You please check with the details provided here for this position. Interested candidates, so you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this position. Next, Indian Institute of Technology Jammu is hiring for the position of a junior research fellow. They are offering a salary for this position is 31,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. For this, the qualification will be education qualification will be BTech or BE, MSc, ME or MTech and MS. So these are the education qualification details to apply for this position. Last date is 20 February 2021. Freshers can also eligible to apply for this position. Interested candidates, you please click on the below link provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for Assistant Manager Food and Beverage one from Marriott International. It is located in Jammu Kashmir. So here are some details about this job position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can visit this website link given here. Next, from the same company, they are hiring for the position of Commis 2 Continental, and it is located in Jammu Kashmir location. For this position, interested candidates, you can visit this website link and please you check with the all details provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for IT executive position for French and Dutch speaking. It is from RVS Informatics IT Private Limited located in Jammu Kashmir. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,80,000 to 4 lakhs per annum. So you please check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities needed here. needed for this position. Interested candidates, for detailed information you can contact to this number, that is 8082897299. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.